Other celestial works of Oyekun Meyi, under the nickname Èdídù Kpèrè Òjùmúnà, he performed divination for Jo, rain, in the sky before it descended to the world. Rain was called Ojogidijiditi insese omo kunrin orun. He advised rain to make a sacrifice because it was going to manifest in the world surrounded by enemies. Rain was told to offer a sacrifice with a male goat, black cloth, and a bundle of clubs. Rain performed the sacrifice before departing for earth. When it was about to be born, its most aggressive elders were already on earth. They were the sun, brightness, and drought. Before rain arrived, they had all sworn that there would be no place for it on earth. Meanwhile, rain began to threaten. Since it had already made a sacrifice to Isu, it set out on its journey to earth. Esu then took the dark cloth with which rain had made the sacrifice and spread it out to form a thick layer of clouds in the sky. Total darkness covered the earth. Then Esu handed rain many of the clubs used for the sacrifice and advised it to use them to strike anyone who dared to stand in its way. These clubs are the downpours that rain uses to punish both kings and slaves, those above as well as those below, to this day. This is how rain was able to subdue the dew, drought, heat, dust, trees, etc., which were its enemies.